Every afternoon mga partner. So ito, nagbibigay na ako ng mga dahon dito katulad ng ito, ng kangkong kasi marami kami sa harap ngayon. So ito yung pinapamerenda ko na sa kanila kasi tapos na nila yung breakfast and then yung lunch nila mga partner. So nagpapa-lunch pala ako sa kanila. So kangkong muna yung binibigay natin dyan. Hello Chamon, thank you. Ayan. Yung inumin nila, yan. May vitamin pro pala yan.
They like it. They like it.
Yes, they like it. Grass
It's
or
cool
leaves. Yes. Tapos ito mga partner, mga lavender. Gustong gusto rin nila yan.
Did I sing?
Yes. Yan, mga Americana, black Americana.
It's called Nikuanga.
Yes, it's called the lavender Americana, okay? Then the other one here.
Bird chicken.
Yes. Yan. So yan po, gutom na gutom si Black Americana. Gustong gusto niya.
And then this one,
What?
And then this one.
White Americana. That is called White Americana, okay?
And then the other one is called
The Olive Eager.
Oil Eater.
And then this one, the Black Americana.
And then the other one, this one.
The Marans. It's called the Choco Eager.
The same black.
Yes.
Paano ko they play together, oh.
Yes. What?
They play together.
Yes, they play together.
You don't like that. You like it, oh.
Ito naman yung ano natin, lavender.
No.
Yan.
You don't like that, oh.
They don't like na? Dito naman yung si Legbar, Black Americana again. Nagbigay na rin ako ng ano sa kanila, kangkong. Ayan, as you can see. Ayan, yun. Ayan. So kakatapos ko lang sila napakain, tapos nagbigay na ako ng kangkong. Ayan, gusto kasi nilang ano yan, pang merienda, snacks, di ba? Yes or no? What? Yes. Okay.
Thank you for watching, Bo.